This is a product demo for gapCHECK from 8tree. gapCHECK is a revolutionary 3D measurement system that significantly boosts the measurement performance for gap step analysis. And here we're doing a simple demo that we'll step you through. This is the system standing on a tripod. It's operated with a single button that is represented on this remote. And you'll see the sample mock-up there has a gap going down the middle with a increasing flushness level and widening gap. And with the press of a single button here on the remote, you see a fringe pattern that's projected. And just to step you through the information you see here, the arrows signify the gap. Green arrows show gap areas that are in tolerance. Red or blue show gap that is either too narrow or too wide out of tolerance. The circles indicate the flush level. So circles that are green indicate two adjacent surfaces that are within the flush tolerance. And then red and blue circles indicate a relative flush or height difference that is outside tolerance. Numerical annotation is shown next to each measurement point, so it can be simply read, and alternately the numerical annotation can be removed, and the color coding can be simply used as a go, no-go analysis. The points to really keep in mind here about why gapCHECK is redefining the way gap step analysis is done are a few. First of all, you'll see that in a single field of view, which is about 8 inches by 11 inches, we are measuring several points simultaneously. The performance of the gapCHECK will actually allow you to measure several hundred points along that whole gap length. So several hundred points can be measured simultaneously for gap step analysis. And the other point to keep in mind is that basically the device will measure gap step alongside any two adjacent surfaces. So what you see here is, while our intended surface for measurement was that vertical gap that's going down here, the scanner actually picks up the break in the mock surface here in the wall and identifies that as a gap with varying flush and goes ahead and proceeds to measure that as well in real time. The final point is the high-speed scanner with this measurement performance is coupled with a patent-pending visualization technology. So what you're seeing here represented on the part is actually a visual superimposition or a visual overlay in real time following the scan, measurement, analysis, and then superimposition of the results on the target surface, all of which happens within a couple of seconds.